Good morning. This is Paul Georgi from Allendale. It's October 4th, 2010. Well, we're going to have some more pressure on this market in the grains anyway, starting out today. Looks like corn anywhere from 8 to 10 lower, soybeans 10 to 12 lower, wheat 10 to 12 lower is what the calls are right now, and that's kind of where the overnight trade closed here at 7:15. But outside markets, they're not giving us any supporting news here today. The dollar is up 27, crude is unchanged, and the stock market's down about 30 points as far as the Dow index goes. So what is the factors we're going to have to deal with here this week? I think the main one is on Friday we've got a USDA monthly supply demand report. Everybody, and we've been focusing on this report for a month now, is what kind of yield are we going to have? Or is it going to be a 158 or a 160, 162? Allendale is expecting that we're going to be close to that 160 area. We don't expect that the USDA is going to lower it all that much in this report. It's just not something that they normally do. Them raising the quarterly stocks on last week's report would also indicate that we're probably not going to lower the yield a whole lot here, because cheaper food prices certainly will impact election results, and that's coming up here this fall. So we think that there might be some influences there. But when you look at the trade today, it's going to be a matter of what are the funds going to do. Are we going to see more liquidation there? In the Commitment of Traders report that was out on Friday, showed that the funds were long over 450,000 contracts of corn, which since that time they have liquidated some. It was reported that Friday the funds sold about 40,000 contracts. Other fundamental news that we've got going on here this morning: South Korea buys 110,000 tons of corn. Also, the trading limit on corn at the CME is expanded today to 45 cents. The soybeans, USDA will give us a yield number there as well. It appears like it's going to be higher than last month, is what the trade estimates are. FC Stone come out with a number on Friday at 45.8. The technical aspect of the soybean market, November beans had support at 1050 area. We took that out overnight and trading below that here in the overnight session. So next level of support there should be around the 1040 area. Again, really the fundamental news hasn't changed much for corn and soybeans, as it had suggested lower prices, and now we talk more about the fundamental news affecting the market, but ultimately it still is money flow, and where and how much money flows away from the market or into the market. In the wheat, weather conditions around the world are improving. Russia is getting some rain. Australia, the eastern part of Australia, is in good shape. Western part is still very dry, and it doesn't look like they're going to have any chance of rain this week. The best chances starting early next week. South Korea did buy some wheat, 55,000 tons. The overall wheat picture took out some technical support on Friday, and we're seeing some follow through there. Again, watching fund action and money flow here will give us some direction, but the momentum there is definitely to the downside in the wheat market as well. In the hogs and cattle trade, we expect they'll probably get some pressure here this morning as funds sell agricultural commodities the way it looks right now. Cutout values are lower. In the hogs, down 189 on Friday. In beef, choice was down 103. Select was down 73. Cash markets this week in the cattle, would expect that we'd see a lower bias there, at least early thoughts are anyway, unless the futures market can rebound. We've got support at 71.65 in the December hog contract. Watch that very closely, and 98.85 in the December cattle contract. If you got any questions, give us a call here at Allendale. We'll be watching things for you. You can reach us at 800-262-7538. And we wish everybody a very successful trading day, and we'll talk to you tomorrow morning. Thank you.